This lesson is on two-way tables. So two-way tables are useful in organizing data sets that are based on two categorical variables. So let's differentiate between the different types of data. One of the types of data is categorical data, and those are values that can be divided into groups, two or more groups. You also have quantitative data, which are measures of values or counts, and they're expressed as number. So to complete this two-way table, we have two different groups on the two different rows, yes and no, and we have four different columns. The different categories for the columns are club, students that belong to clubs, students that play a sport, students that do both, and then students that do neither. So a survey was given and students were asked whether they participate in club, sports, both, or neither. And so there was 12 that said yes, that they only participate in clubs, 13 only participate in sports, 16 in both, and then 4 in neither. And so to complete the table, just add up all the different rows and the columns. When you add up the first row, you get 45, second row 15, first column 15, second column 18, third column 21, fourth column 6, and the sum of the columns should match the sum of the rows, and you get 60. Another two-way table. A group of boys and girls were asked whether they liked juice, milk, or water. They had a choice of juice, milk, or water. It was given that there were 100 total students surveyed. So we can start right there in the bottom right corner. So that's going to be the total number of subjects that were surveyed, 100. And then now we can subtract 60 from 100 to get the total of girls. So 100 minus 60 is 40. And then subtract 10 and 17 from 40 to get the number of girls that said they drank milk. And then now we can just add up the remaining columns, 25, 37, and 38. And again, make sure that the number of columns, the sum of the columns adds up to the sum of the rows.